Hello and welcome to another edition of Stock Watch. So as we get into the trading week, we're hearing a little bit of noise coming from certain automobile manufacturers in the name of Tesla and Ford. One has seen a sales increase and one has seen a bit of a decline, but in different parts of the world. So Tesla's Chinese-made cars to the local market of imports and exports has slumped quite dramatically. And this is mainly due to some bad press coverage that it's had in the last year or so. So really, after initially enjoying a bit of a red carpet welcome in China, including being the only foreign automobile maker allowed to wholly own its operation in its Shanghai branch, it has had a series of setbacks this year, with protests by owners at the Shanghai Auto Show earlier in the year, and also a big recall in some of their vehicles after separate crashes and effects were heard and seen from some of its fleet, let's say. So the same can't be said for Ford. They're actually up by 10%, but this is in America in sales in its electric vehicle front. However, Tesla is still in the lead in that respect, as it has a 95% increase this year alone in electric car sales. So you have to just think that the Chinese persuasion doesn't really come into effect with Tesla's market share, and we can see here on the prices. So it is still struggling to try and kind of maintain that push up to the previous stock split, or even getting back up to the $800 to $900 area. So this is in regards to this $800 kind of last peak we saw, and then driving up to roughly about $900 after that as well. So it is struggling to maintain that kind of advantage to the upside, but it is on the cards. Tesla are moving in the right direction now, and if we take a look on the 4-hour chart as well, in particularly, we're seeing this V-shaped recovery from the last downside momentum move. So as we move up now, I'll just be looking to see how quickly we're going to get to this $800 area in the next few trading sessions. It's still got a bit of a way to go. It's trading just below the 720 mark. So, $70, $80 to go in that respect. And we are seeing a slight bearish divergence in the near term, at least. So we're going to wait and see what the prospects are for Tesla in the near term. Ford, on the other hand, just bring it out to a 1-day chart. And we're seeing a little bit of a descending channel now in Ford. It is looking to show that we are on the downside at the moment. However, it's not anything to worry about at the moment, because it has actually, if you see this accentuation in prices over the course of 2021 and post-pandemic, that we are looking to see Ford prices start maneuvering quite high, especially with the help of the Ichimoku cloud. Like I always have, we're having a bit of engulfment now, a little bit of pressure on the lower border, but prices are expected to start moving upwards in the near term, at least, which is what we're going to look at now. And again, as I say, we're having this bit of engulfment at the moment, but we are hovering below the Ichimoku cloud. So in that respect, we're going to wait and see what the opportunities are here. I see a little bit of a false break, because I was thinking that it was going to see a little bit of a divergence on this side, but we are seeing a bit of a false break. So the bias is looking on the downside at the moment. So we'll wait and see what the opportunities are in the next few trading sessions, at least, to get us underway for the rest of the trading week, especially in the automobile industry. So just a few things to look out for as earnings season comes to an end as well. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. As usual, any comments or queries, please feel free to add them to the post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.